Hey everybody, Vince with Carter Subaru here to show you today the long-awaited, all-new, fully electrified, all-wheel drive Subaru Solterra. We've waited for this moment, and here it is. Come with me and I'll show you inside. Here we are, folks, at the beach and ready to park in the last spot we found. And instead of doing it myself, we're gonna have the Solterra do it for us. Right here, parking assist. Pull up next to the spot you're looking at, push, and follow the instructions. We would like to park right here. We'll tell it how to park. We'll tell it which way to park, and then we'll tell it where to park. And once you've registered your own spot on a regular basis, it'll remember this time and time again. Alrighty, here we go. Look, Mom, no hands. Whether it's a head-in, back-in, or parallel parking, your Subaru Solterra can handle it all in any situation. That's right, folks. The future has arrived. The electrified Subaru Solterra. Available now. Come see us at Carter Subaru. And we've arrived, folks. Ready and fresh and ready to go. Let's enjoy our adventure. Alright, folks, continue to tune in for more information and more tips on all of our Subarus. But come on by, check out our newest Solterra and all of our new upcoming new Subarus, soon to be electrified.